Emergency run. Oh. I'll stay in here. All right, which hour was that in? Oh, let me look at my phone. All right, got what I came for. Let's hope this works.
WPR Ranch, there's a sky glowing, full of power living, yeah, we off the grid, oh, 40 acres where the wild winds dance. Welcome to the life out of WPR Ranch, WPR Ranch, and the coyotes cry, working house growing.
Got home to a little surprise today. Let's see. Yeah, ooh. Ooh. Shout out my sister T. Sister-in-law T, thank you so much. You saw our Amazon list and you knew that this would help out in some kind of way on the ranch. Appreciate you so much. Yeah, thank you. How sweet. Just got home and these things came today. I think this is my sister T. I don't know, I'm about to find out if it's you. God bless you and thank you for helping the ranch so much again. What up though, WPR fam? It's your boy TP and I'm back. Quick little update right quick what's going on around here because it's a lot. As you've seen that storm caught us off guard. Not really caught us off guard. The storm came through last night and ran into some leaky ceilings in there. Mostly around the little whirly thing. So I just came from the depot on an emergency run right off of work, and I'm about to climb up there and flex seal some stuff. So, but first I'm gonna show you what I was working on before. I was gonna wait, but nah, I think I'm just going ahead and ruin the surprise and just go and show you what I'm doing or what I'm about to do. The big project. Let's go. What you see here is a mini split. And the electric box back there that's being worked on. Now, I'm not going to not show y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a heads up what I'm actually working on to install these, which I got 3 of them, 3 mini splits. I'm gonna show you where they're gonna go. But to install those, I needed a bunch of stuff that I've just been getting off of Amazon, wire, 10 gauge wire. Got a vacuum pump. I've been collecting all the stuff I need to do this project, including electric, because I need to hardwire these with electric into the disconnect boxes. So this will be a whole different video. I'm gonna put one in, and then I'm gonna show you how the other ones go first. One set up out here. I'm gonna do this one first, and then see how that goes, and then I'm gonna record the rest of them. There's gonna be one right here for this office. And then there's going to be one on the other side of this for this office, but the thing like that is going to sit somewhere over here, the condenser. And then there's one for the RV. But this requires a lot of electrical work, and I'm not an electrician or an HVAC specialist, but it's going to get done. But anyway, this ain't that video. So let's go ahead and cut to the main issue. And here, this thing, we foamed it, we did as much as we could to it, but it's still been leaking. So it's leaking right on top of their little sofa area, you know, too close to the electric. So in their desk, in their laptops and stuff like that, all their office stuff, you know. So mini splitter look like that. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Anyway, so we need to fix that. It's on both sides. Materials right quick, the Flex Seal paintbrush, and ladder and a helper, and I'm gonna jump up there and get this done. All right, sit that close by. I'm afraid of heights. Don't like the heights, but I gotta do it anyway. All right. All right, hey, and now hand me the camera. Cool. All right, so we up here. Here's my solar panel. Now you get to see plans. I'm gonna put those other 2 solar panels down there, up here, like right there. But anyway, you can see I got a lot of work up here. This needs to get done. That's like an $80 roll of stuff. But let's look at the problem at hand. So this little whirly whirl right here, you can see the water build up. I come up here with a towel in the middle of the storm and dry it out. TJ, I'm gonna need a dry towel. So now I'm about to put this Flex Seal paint all around this whole thing after I dry this up. Same thing. Oh, this is plenty of space for those 2 solar panels. I'm gonna build a little array. Not like heart and soul array though. Like that thing's flame. Like, you know what I mean? I'm gonna put a little something out here. I ain't gonna do it like that, man. But yeah, so we sprayed it with foam. I just had a can of Flex Seal on an emergency. I did a DG and got one. And I foamed the top of this. That slowed it down. But this one started going crazy yesterday. You can see the water pile up here too. So, ooh, what a view from up here. See the whole front half of the property. First, we'll clean this mess up. Get all that water out of there. Oh, and on this side too, I see you. See you trying to hide. All right, I found an old paintbrush that I'm not gonna use no more. Let's crack this open. Where to start? Oh, this paintbrush sucks. I'm gonna cake this stuff on here. I think I almost got this side completely sealed up. All the screws, all the holes. I'm just gonna splash it and cake this stuff on. I want a thick rubber layer. Ooh, it's a good day to be out here because any other time right now, this metal would be scorching hot. And I would not be able to do it. I would have to wait till night or early in the morning. Now, I know you're thinking, like, Tony, you know, why didn't you install it right? And the thing is, I didn't install it, so can't take that. Can't take that fault, so. But it's all good though. Blessed to have it. Blessed to have it being done. And if I got to deal with the repercussions of the fixing, then, you know, here's what it is. I'm okay with that. So, this is the 21st. Y'all saw it this morning if you watched it. Well, it was supposed to be a short, turned into a 5-minute video, which y'all saw what was going on last night and how crucial that was. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. You know, when I first got up here, one of my neighbors, you know, they came down the mountain and was like, hey, you know, I didn't even realize my foot was hanging off the edge. Hey, whatever you do, don't install ventilation on top. Do it on the side, it'll keep from leaking. I was like, okay. But you know, lessons learned. And the next storage container, I will make sure I install on the side, not on the top. I think this one is pretty good. Oops. This thing all buckling and stuff. Let's take a look, see. Don't get too close to the edge, Tony. Woo! Yeah, okay. So I think that's Flex Seal. Let's go do the other one. All right, let's get this water up first. So this one was down bad yesterday. I think it's because of right here. This one was like drip, 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 drip. And it was too dark to come back up here because I came up here right after I ended that video yesterday. Let's see if Flex Seal can live up to the Flex Seal name. It was like my 5th time up here in a week. Trying to get all in that crack. Get that crack. There's a bat in the harvest house. I have to go make sure. Well, it wasn't, I didn't see it yesterday, but the day before I saw it. So I have to go deal with that too. I gotta like open the doors, turn the lights on, turn as many lights on as I can. Hopefully it flies out. It's cloudy enough that it should. It's not all sunny like normal. So I got fish to feed, man. Can't be up there dip, dodge, dive. What's the 3Ds? Dip, duck, dive, dodge, or something like that. I can't be doing all that while I'm trying to feed my fish. Look at plants and stuff. Making sure stuff got water. Ooh, foot off the edge. Just don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Can't have my boys, you know, stuff getting all dripped on and stuff. They spend a lot of time in their little offices doing work and whatnot, school and stuff, so. What's this random hole right here? Flex seal that too. It's a random screw hole. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Let me finish this right quick. And when I say I'm afraid of heights like houses, roofs, and stuff like that. But I get on a roller coaster in a second, 10 times. All right, man, I hope the sun's UVs don't tear this up like it did the phone. I'm really concerned about these parts right here, where the indentations are, because that's where the water pools at. So, but I think I got it all. Look at this random hole. In the world. Anyway, flex seal that too. Let's go. I don't know how long this one takes to dry, but try to hurry up and catch it before it rains up here, if it rains today, which I doubt. I think it would have already did it. Let's see if this does the job. Dang, I got it all over my hands. Gosh darn on it. Oh, now I can't touch my phone. All right, I don't know how that hole is going to do, but whatever. Anyway, let's look at this one. I think I got it, all the little parts I needed to get. See how it goes when it rains. So yeah, that was my emergency fix right now for this. So yeah, I'll try to throw a few shorts and videos up, but this electric thing might take a minute. So if y'all don't see that, then oh yeah, and I gotta do the toilet too. I forgot about that. Jeez. Yeah, the electric thing with the mini splits, that is coming. Dang, it's a big hole in my shirt, but that must have been from the fencing. And I just told y'all about the solar project that's gonna go up here. I'm gonna do that I'll wait till it get cool outside. So once again, it's your boy TP from WPR Ranch, and thank you guys for watching this video, seeing how I do my emergency fixings, and to learn about the updates coming up soon. Till the next time, God bless. Stay safe out there, especially in the desert with this flash flood and all that stuff. Stay safe, guys, if you're an off-gritter. Watch out. And, you know, stay blessed, guys. Those.
WPR Ranch, there's a sky glow. Solar power living, yeah, we off the grid.